How to create realistic lipstick in Adobe Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer and create a solid color. Select any color for lips. Select the mask, go to Image Adjustments, and Invert. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to multiplied. Double-click on this and rename it Lips Color. Now select your brush tool from the toolbar and with a soft round brush, make the opacity 100%, the flow 100%. Select the mask. Make sure foreground color is white and just paint on the lips just like that. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider of the underlying layer. Click OK. Once you are satisfied, and that's it. Thanks for watching.